Let's find out if this plastic bottle will clean my stained teeth. It's disclosing time. Let's check the before results. I want to turn some plastic waste into a recycled toothbrush to clean my teeth and the ocean. So I teamed up with Team C's. Our mission is to raise $30 million to clean 30 million pounds of plastic out of the ocean. Oh yeah, and we want to do it before the end of the year, so there's no time to waste. So we decided to head out and personally pick up some trash. We got the world's largest toothbrush attached to a fishing net, so let's go scoop it up. We got lots of plastic. Ugh, this got pee-pee in it. Oh no! Someone left their toothpick right next to this dead bird. It's the Dental Digest plastic waste pickup team. Alright, now let's turn this plastic into a toothbrush. This is 1 pound of plastic waste. Bro, what are you doing? You know, there's a way easier way to clean up 1 pound of plastic. Just head over to teamcs.org and donate $1. That will remove 1 pound of plastic out of the ocean. Or if you want an even easier way to donate and clean the ocean, every time you open up a new tab, it can donate money to Team C's. Yes, donating money and cleaning the ocean can be this simple. Just check out the link in my description down below for tab for Team C's, and let's get cleaning together. So now you're probably wondering, Anthony, how are you gonna make a toothbrush from this sketchy plastic bottle that probably had pee-pee in it at one time? Well, let me show you how. This is the mold that we're gonna use to create an exact replica of this toothbrush handle, but with recycled plastic. Recycled plastic, baby. Heat this up. The smush. The smush technique. Okay, so this is what we got. Yes, it's pretty ugly, but I'm gonna go trim it up a little bit. And while I'm trimming it up, I'm gonna hire a professional engineer named Jesse.
Hi, this is Jesse at Skill Hoarder Labs.
Who's gonna help us out with this project because I want this final product to look absolutely incredible. It looks okay, but I think Jesse can do better, so let's call him up. You got 1 week to help us make a recycled plastic toothbrush using this fat glob piece of metal chunk for a design. Thinking you can help us out here, Jesse?
1 week?
1 week? That's all you get.
I'll see what I can do.
Gather materials, design the model, prototype the parts with 3D printing, design a mold, iterate the design in the production process, clean up the aesthetic, and ship the final parts.
The toothbrush is here. Jesse delivered. Man, look at this packaging. Obviously, as seen on YouTube, we got the fat glob toothbrush, the DD logos, Dental Digest, that weird face, scary face on the front, chomping on the disclosing tablet. Make sure to recycle the waste. Woo, look how beautiful this thing is. This toothbrush has a unique one-of-one colorway made from recycled plastic, custom fat glob tech, the signature DD logo, and a magnetic wall mount to protect your toothbrush from doo-doo particles that are on the countertop. But the best feature about this toothbrush is that it's got replaceable bristle heads to help you reduce the amount of plastic waste. Waste-free toothpaste from Bite. Mmm, minty. Fat glob, this is Dental Digest. Let's get brushing. These bristles provide a super deep clean, and this handle is super well balanced. Let's check the after results. If you want clean teeth like this, and a clean ocean like this, I'm selling 4 of these limited edition, ultra rare, one-of-one, official Dental Digest toothbrushes. The best part about buying one of these toothbrushes is that all of the money will go towards Team C's to clean the ocean. So click the link in my description to head over to eBay and let's get cleaning. I'll see you brushes in the next one, and as always, smile on. Ciao. Picking up plastic as well?
No, I'm picking up wood.
Picking up wood for Team Trees? Choose your selection of shoes. Which shoes do you want?